Go to meet.google.com and select here your Google account. And now click on New Meeting, and here you will find three different options to create a meeting. One is create a meeting for later, another is start an instant meeting, and last one is schedule in Google Calendar. So first of all, let's create a meeting for later, and then here you will get a meeting link. Now copy this link and go ahead and share this link with your friends and families. And now let's create a meeting instantly. Once you started an instant meeting, here you will find your meeting link. Now click on this copy link and now go ahead and share your meeting link. Or you can click on add others and you can add here your friends or families. Go ahead and add them and click on send email to send meeting invite. And now let's create a schedule meeting. So clicking on new meeting, clicking on schedule in Google Calendar, and here add your meeting title, select here your meeting starting date and starting time, and select here your meeting end date and time. If you want, you can change your time zone from here, and I'm selecting here does not repeat, and event details. Right here your location. If you want, you can turn on notifications, and here select your Google account, and you can write here a description for your event or meeting. Now all you have to need, click on save, and you have successfully scheduled a Google meeting. And now to copy the meeting link, click on this calendar, and here click on invite via link, and here your meeting link will be generated. Now copy this link from here and send this meet invite link with your friends and families.